Today, grains are rallying on trade talks as the soybeans did gap up. A potential trade deal is on the table, but finalizing it will be key. But markets seem to be showing some confidence here as meal has been up for 9 days with oil the opposite, down for 3 days. November today was up 31 cents. We got up to 1072 and 3/4, with January getting up to 1089 and 3/4 on a volume of 218,000 contracts. Now all deferreds were up over $11, so the market is really showing some strength here. Option open interest has some major migration into the December and January contracts because Friday was expiration for November contracts. CVOL for the soybeans is at 16.9%, with the soybean oil at 24.6 and the meal at 21.6%. Corn today was higher on bullish demand and is supported by the bean market. And we're back to prices from early July, and we're breaking out of this month-long channel that we have been in. December was up 8.25 cents. We're up to 431.5 on a volume of 202,000. So a lot of active trade in the grains. March even got up to 446.25. December option open interest added 4,600 to the put side, bringing the all total to option open interest on calls to 432,000 and on the calls and 428 on the puts. CVOL for corn is at 18.4%. Now remember that the weekly ag options also had a spike in trade activity, and that's expected to continue for the foreseeable future. Wheat today did surge on demand, getting stronger here. Futures are higher for the fourth day in a row. Base prices were up for all three contracts, with Argentina reporting that they had an 18% increase of production over last year. So the market seems to be shrugging that off. Today, December was up 18 cents to 530.5, and March even was up to 545.5. Now, option open interest had a slight increase. We have a total of 75,000 open interest on the calls and 41,000 on the put, so much smaller than the other contracts. Now, CVOL for the wheat is at 21.9%.